We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can change and manage the time zone for the IPC360 app. So first, launch the app sign into your account if you haven't already, then find the camera in the devices section, the camera that you would like to change the time zone for, then go into the camera settings. Here, tap at the language and time zone setting, then select whatever time zone you would like to have, and then save your changes. You can also synchronize the time zone, so the app will automatically identify what is your time zone that you're currently in and set it here. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.